Alright guys, welcome back to the FreeCAD tutorial series. Last time we went over just, the basic features of extruding, revolving, mirroring, chamfering, and filleting. This is kind of a useless thing here, so we're going to kind of get rid of that. It's showing both of them there. And while we're at it, let's just go ahead and show you guys copy. I'm going to click yes there. You can actually copy and paste parts from one file to another, or between one file in itself. So that's an advantageous thing. So I just want to kind of get that out of the way. Little things that are really going to help you guys out along the way. So there we go. Let's go to Sketcher, and we want to create that on the XY. Alright, pretty cool. So now we've created the sketch. Now we're going to do it on the same plane. This time we're actually going to use offset. We're going to do that. We're going to go do that at 100 millimeters. And we're going to show you guys. We're going to go into a circle. We're going to go ahead and constrain it to that point. And show you guys some of the tooling involved in the part WorkBench that can become useful to you. And in this case, we're going to go over lofting. So we're going to click on loft, and we're going to create a solid. We're going to definitely do these two. Got to make sure we got the right one selected. This is why it's important to name stuff. Boom. Alright, so once again you had to create a solid. So on the right hand side of that bar, whenever I did that, I'll go ahead and show you guys again. So I clicked on loft and opened up my taskbar. So sketch 3 and 4 right here were the two shapes of interest. I just put them both on the right side, and the computer automatically generates a solid once you ask to create a solid to create basically like loft it from one shape to the other. Just click OK. So got yourself a fairly cool looking shape. That's cool. Now we're gonna look into, oh gosh, didn't get rid of those, did it? Alright, now we're gonna look in how to use the sweep function. So let's go ahead and go back to Sketcher. Alright, so XY. And we're going to create a line from here to here, here, and here. We're going to make a very weird shape, just to kind of showcase, the weird, the strange things you can do involving. I know these parts don't seem entirely useful, but we're just kind of looking at the tooling and how to use the tooling. That's the only real specific reason. And we're going to go ahead and do this. So that way there's a lot of good symmetry involved. Oh, clicked the wrong thing. Right there, and then here. Then a vertical constraint of 0. Edit the sketch. We're going to do some things to it. To make this a little bit simpler, because I've made this correct sketch on the right plane. So create a sketch along the XZ, or the YZ that is. Alright, just simple shape. We're going with a circle again, probably make it a bit smaller, 5 millimeters, and we're gonna constrain it right to that point. Alright, so it's right on that end now. So go back to part, and go to sweep. We're going to sweep that, and we're going to sweep it along that path, create a solid, right there. Alright, that's how we want to do it. Click OK. We'll give it a second. We just finished it. Sweet. So now you just sweep that entire part along that path. Very, very handy how that tended to work out. Thank you guys for watching this video and sticking all the way through. See you guys next time. Happy New Year's. Bye.